Hello! Welcome back! Let's play a fun game. Can you help me find what's inside and what's outside?
Look, the duck is inside the cup. Can you say inside? Now the duck is outside the cup. Say outside.
The teddy is inside the box. Now the teddy is outside the box. Where is the toy? Is it inside or outside? Ta-ra! It is outside. Awesome! Now you know inside and outside. Follow Alphabet Blossom for more fun learning adventures.